guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Apologize for the lack of flying content. It's just been really crummy, and I've been building the indoor micro rock crawler track, so I apologize. But we'll take this old beauty out, the Tundra version 3, and have some fun with it, throw her around, see how rusty I am flying, since it's been probably almost a month since I've picked up the sticks. But let's get her in the air, see what we can do. This plane has been through a lot with me. It's such a fun plane. Does everything I want it to do and more. Can throw it up in the air, bring her back down, and do some fun stuff. Just a fun plane to throw around, guys. Super light, has reverse thrust. I'll show you how that works in a second. Let's see, it's been a while since I've done reverse thrust though. I did not do reverse thrust. Oh, that was a good landing too. Just I've got a bumpy runway, as everybody knows. All right, let's see how fast we can get this in the air. Yeah. There we go, guys. Let's try that reverse thrust again for you guys. He's got barn door landing flaps too, so. There you go. All right, let's take off. Yeah, buddy. It's coming right at us. We got 0 throttle right now. Coming nice and low. Try not to drop a wing. Yeah. Come back around. Nice and low. Try not to hit the trees. I hear a plane, so I'm gonna have to come down, guys. Safety first. Keep her low. Get the landing flaps out. And let's see what we got for planes right there, guys. So got to take her down, safety first. So once the plane gets by, we can go out again. All right, guys, he's gone. So let's take her up again. Do some landing practice. This is without flaps. There we go, guys. Yes. Do landing again. No flaps. And there's your reverse thrust, guys. And we'll just throw this plane around. So much fun. Take her up, way up in the air, and then we'll just have some fun with it. All right, well, alarm's going off. So I think that's gonna be it for today, guys. Let's take her in. Hopefully let's get a good landing to end this video. Put the landing flap, 0 throttle. Why not? There we go.
Flaps up.
Flaps up. Oh. All right, guys. The Tundra version 3. So much fun. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next one, thanks for watching.